Welcome to your lesson on collaboration in professional learning communities. Today, we'll explore how to transform isolated idea generation into structured collaborative problem solving. Hello, I'm Cian. In marketing, it's easy to get caught in the trap of doing work in isolation. Today, we're going to learn how a professional learning community, or PLC, can help us overcome cognitive biases and improve our client solutions. By the end of this session, you'll be able to identify functional fixedness, understand the core structure of a PLC meeting, and apply specific problem-solving techniques to your daily work. Let's start with a common challenge: functional fixedness. This is a cognitive bias where we focus only on an object's typical function, making it difficult to see alternative solutions. In a team, this leads to repetitive, safe ideas. Functional fixedness limits our critical thinking. Instead of asking what the client actually needs, we often default to asking, "What have we done before?" This reduces innovation and weakens our decision-making over time. The solution is the professional learning community. A PLC gives our development team a structured process for collaboration, reflection, and problem-solving, moving us from isolated thinking to collective responsibility. A typical PLC meets weekly for about an hour. Each session focuses on a single client challenge. The group identifies the problem, lists assumptions, and generates solutions together, preventing anyone from jumping to the most familiar answer. To support this, we use specific techniques. The first is divergent and convergent thinking. This protects our creativity while still forcing us to make practical, result-driven decisions for our clients. During divergent thinking, we generate as many ideas as possible without judgment. Then, during convergent thinking, we narrow those ideas down based on client goals, feasibility, and expected results. We also use analogical problem solving, applying solutions from one industry to another and reverse brainstorming. Instead of asking how to solve a problem, we ask, how could we make this problem worse? This reveals hidden blind spots. To generate these ideas, we use methods like the Think Aloud protocol to make our reasoning visible, brainwriting to ensure everyone contributes, and mind mapping to visually organize complex information and customer pain points. By embracing the PLC structure, we ensure our work is strategic, collaborative, and measurable. You're now ready to bring these techniques into your next project meeting. In our next lesson, we'll dive deeper into running your first session. Remember, break those familiar patterns, use structured prompts to challenge assumptions, and leverage the diverse perspectives of your cross-functional team. See you in the next lesson.